2 for accessing the return of the Halo administration course. On this, we'll be creating an agent role with permission to create reports, but with only 3 related HR data sources. Let's get it going. Right now, we've already created a new agent role, HR reporter, and in this role, we have the permissions. Now, firstly, we have to go to our reporting in the general settings and make sure that we change the settings over here, the report permission type, to be the second or the third one that allows for the access control to be used on the reporting group, data sources, and reports. So we have to select this, and once you select that, you would have the option down below in the configurations for you to specify if the user with this role can create reports. As you can see, if they can create reports, they would not have access to the SQL data sources. They cannot create SQL data sources, but they can use data sources, and we're going to make that to be only data sources only, and that's how we configure it for that. Based on what we are supposed to do, we are now to make sure that they only have access to 3 HR related data sources. Let's get that going. Now, in order to do that, we would go to our reporting, we'll go to data sources, and let's look at 1, 2, 3. Let's go for the agent target hours. We're going to go to the access control, we're going to use a role, and we're going to specify the HR reporter. We can put this as read and modify, and let's save that. Save. We go back, we'll go to the timesheets, we'll do another access control on it, the role, HR reporter, read and modify, save, and save. Get back to feedback, and we're going to do the access control as well. HR role, HR reporter, and read and modify as well, and let's save and save. And this means they'll have access to these 3 data sources. Let's see how that works. Now, what next we're going to be doing is let's give a user access to the HR reports role and agents. We're going to give this to Robert James. Robert James already had the HR administrator role, if we can see over here. So we're just going to give him the HR reporter role. And if we go to Robert James and we impersonate him, remember we had 3 data sources that they have access to, which is the agent time hours and the feedback. So let's see, if we create a new report, data sources, click on this, you can see agent target hours, the time sheets, and the feedback. These are the only data sources that they have access to, and this basically confirms our agent role with permission to create reports with only 3 related data sources.